Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to add channels and how to configure DocTransport module little bit. Okay, because without channel we cannot send and receive faxes. So first of all, we have to configure DocTransport channels, and only we will be able to send faxes. Okay, guys. So uh, the WriteFax DocTransport module specifies the method by which WriteFax can transmit documents and messages. Very simple. Okay, so we have to configure it, and it will define which method or what mechanism is used to send fax in messages. You can configure fax boards for conventional text transmissions, fax boards for fax over IP, and SMS messaging. Apart from this, the DocTransport module act as an interpreter between some fax board driver and WriteFax server module for conventional text transmission. It handles requests to schedule outgoing faxes for transmission and informs server module when a new fax has arrived or received to process further. And the DocTransport module must be properly configured to allow WriteFax server to send and receive documents. WriteFax support a minimum of 120 fax channel per DocTransport service. Okay, so let's see how it is. Okay, guys, to add a DocTransport method, we need to follow certain steps, and these are the transport methods and description this side. For example, Brook Road TR1034 series SR140, so required for installation of all Brook Road TR1037 series fax boards. And these are I'll show you in server better. So this is my server. Okay, it got hanged. Okay, so I need to give password. So guys, here in my last video I showed you I sent one fax, okay, but it is not delivered yet. Why? Because we don't have any channel. You can see here no available sent channels. Okay, and you can go to services, your enterprise fax manager. Okay, and if you go to this server, you cannot see any channel. Okay, channel column is blank, so you have to add channels first, and for that what is required, you have to go to WriteFax DocTransport module and configure services or service. So here you can see it is telling you auto billing code setting or global DocTransport setting. So if you click this, these are the other stuff I will discuss in my coming up videos in detail. Okay, as of now what we have to do, we need to add a channel. Okay, for channels, so for that we have to add first of all a DocTransport. Okay, or add a transport basically. So you can see add a transport, you need to go from here, you have to select transport selection, dialog box will open. Okay, and you can go to this and click add transport. So you can see these are the uh, transport selection wizard, this one. So from here you can select whichever is required for you and whatever you want. So you can see we have one Brook route out, so we will be using Brook route out, and we have one simulation channels also. So if you select this one, and so you will get couple of channels. Okay, here for testing purpose, one or two channel, you can add more channels also. So it will add to default, and you can use this for testing purpose. For example, if you want to send any fax, uh, it will send and receive. I mean it will work. Okay, it is for testing purpose, but generally we will use another one. For example, let's see now if this fax is going scheduled to be sent, what is happening. Because if it is sent successfully, it will show you channel detail also, server detail also. Okay, so let's see what is coming here. If it is going, then it will show us here. Okay, if it is delivered, if everything is working fine, if everything is configured properly. So now it is sending. It takes some time, it converts an image, and then it will forward you to that particular user. So we are here, it is still sending it, and we can see channels. Yes, 2 channels, and it is showing you receiving document kind of thing. Okay, and let's see what is status here. So you can see here it is went, and if you go to property of this fax, you can check channel 0 or 01, which channel it used. So you can see here down it used channel 0 on server win R2. Okay, so this works here. Okay, and it is gone to user 1 or 2. It will not show you here received 1 because it is for testing purpose only, but you can see the sending status. You can see here this is up arrow. Okay, to understand on both the servers send and receive, if this fax is one, definitely it should have received somewhere. Okay, or it should deliver somewhere. So for that, what we have to do, we have to use another uh, channels, and we need to configure proper those channels, and delete this one. I'm just removing it. Okay, and we need to configure a couple of things for transmission, send and receive. So I'm going with this brook root TR1037, and I'm selecting this right fax OEM. Okay, and I'm adding this, and I added it is added here. You can see right fax OEM came, and it is showing 2 channels. So I can increase if I want to increase it. Let me make it 7. Okay, and it got 7 channels, and I have deleted simulation. So now whatever fax will go by channel 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and I will show you one more fax sending, and you can see here number of digits for routing and all we can configure from here. If we want a DocTransport server, let me go and see. So I am giving routing 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 character routing I will give here. Okay, this one 7 character routing. Okay, because I think we have created 7 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 number of channel. Okay, oh sorry, fax number. So we have done addition of channels. Now I can see here. Why it is not showing here? It should show here if channels are activated. So let me show here DocTransport server running. Okay, it should come up. First of all, this service service is running, but restart service. Let me restart. So now what we have done, we have added a DocTransport server channels. Okay, starting channel should come here. If I click on this, channels should reflect here. So now you can see. So as of now, channels are in. You saw it was not green. It was showing a different this thing. DocTransport is not up yet. Stopped. Start service, and let's see channels. Channel status should be green always, okay, and should not be reserved. So let's see here. It should come here, not coming. Once again, we'll go to DocTransport server, and we will see how it is configured. Okay. Here we can select capability both, so it will show us send and receive here. Channel status is not showing. So some other setting we need to do here. Let me check. After this, we need to configure book root. Okay. So I'm going to activate channel, activated channel, and advanced setting. What is this advanced setting? Global transport. These are the other settings I will show you in my coming up videos. As of now, nothing is required. We need to configure book root also. Click OK. These are the other things I am going to discuss in my next video. As of now, I'm just showing you basics. Okay, finished. Okay, so now let's see services running. So you can see here now channels came, okay, and it is configured to both send and receive. And again, if I send any fax, let's see one more time. Name again I'm giving test, and number 1 2 3 4 5, and I'm giving 2 this time. So again it will give us some error, I'm sure. Okay, that fax, so where is that fax from where I sent? Which user from I sent? Let me send one more time. Name testing, okay, and 1 2 3 4 5, and I'm giving 5 this time. Sending from administrator only. Okay, you can see here now it is in conversion state. Time you can see 2:40 p.m. we sent, so scheduled to be sent. It will also show you from which channel it is going or tried to go. User 5, this one, and let me check property of user 5 if everything is correct. Routing is correct. So we'll see what is this. Okay, phone line problem. The reason is it is not able to communicate with the recipient. Okay, so it will show us like this, and if you go to channel or in this fax, you can see from where it tried. So you can see it is showing you used channel 0 on server win R2. So the channel is available or not. Channel 0, you can see here this channel 0, okay, it tried from here to deliver, but it didn't because we don't have any destination configured as of now. It is showing both here. This can be a reason. You can enable it, you can remove it, and somewhere we have option. Let's see, book root only. I'm going direct 7, both it should be compatibility. Okay, so whatever we are configuring it should show here, okay, state. So it is showing both only, so no problem. and DocTransport. Once again I will go. Okay, set compatibility for all channels both, and send and receive. This is send and receive. Because we don't have a same sort of setting any other, I mean, any other place at any other place, it is taking applied on this. Okay, we have applied from here, so uh, it is going to all channel. And let me just give OK here, and let's see now. Still it is showing both. Both means send and receive. So if you go to channel, it is showing both. Okay, you can remove from here and go to this reserve both both. You can change as per the requirement. Okay guys, so this is how you can enable it. In next video I will show you how to configure and how to send fax between two servers. This is the basic setting I just wanted to discuss in this video. So I hope you understood how to add channels, and even you understood transport methods. Okay, and this is what we have added, this TR1037 34. Okay guys, in next video I will show you how to, for example, you have one server, okay, which we are using. You have another server, RF2 server also, so you want to send fax from here to here. For that we need to configure a couple of settings. Same thing, you will have users in that server, but you will have different fax numbers. Okay, because every organization will have separate fax numbers. This is, for example, this is your Active Directory writefax.com. You are receiving faxes from google.com, so you have to make settings. Okay, that I'm going to discuss in next video. Till then, bye bye.